Today I am going to talk about short vowel sounds. Very important to learn this part because they need to know how to blend vowel sounds with other letters. They have many vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds and different vowel sounds. I have created a short vowel sounds and a picture to start those vowel sounds too. Okay, now let's see how to read. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Apple. A ink. O octopus. Okay. What about this? Ink. O octopus.
Umbrella.
I will give you another activity. I have made these letters from cardboard. Let's see how to read. Apple. Okay, your turn. Elephant. Ink. Octopus.
Umbrella.
Okay, you did so good. This should be practiced every day. Okay, let's see how to read two letters, vowels and other letters. What kind of sounds is heard?
I know how to read.
Okay, darling. Cat. K.
Key. Ko. Car.
Good. Give me 5. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Practice every day. See you in next video. Bye bye.